Hello, everyone. Welcome to our weekend analysis. The markets are closed and everything is on a pause right now. And this is the best time for us to actually analyze what the market has in store for us next week. But before we begin, don't forget we have the promo running using the promo code FIRSTOFP, which gives you 50% off. Then, if you are a second time user, or have been with us for quite a while, you can get 45% off using the promo code OFP45. And this ends on the 31st of July at 11:59 p.m. CET. So you still have time, exactly less than 15 days. So I'm thinking 13 days. Yes, you do have 13 days from now before this promo ends. So without further ado, let us jump right into our analysis this evening. So starting first with the dollar index. The dollar index, we were hoping that it might go up, and fortunately, it dropped all the way down, and yeah, we got stopped out. Question is, where do we go from here? Well, right now it seems like we are setting up for an inverse head and shoulders right here. Like we have a head here, left shoulder. It seems to be forming the right shoulder, and then maybe we might be going up from here. So we're still, the bias is still to the upside. So I'm thinking maybe the market will come slightly down to probably 10,600 there. And then we can put a stop loss right below the previous low. And then we might be aiming for the very top here around 101,800, which was the previous high. So that is what I'm anticipating for next week on the dollar index. So I am still bullish on the US dollar. Then euro dollar kind of survived, but it got stopped out as well. Just a tad bit though, but we can see that this week and also from last week, we have been consolidating. So the question is, are we still looking to go short or long here? Well, based on the dollar index, we'll be most likely looking to go short. But on this one, I'll wait for the markets to do what needs to do. So I'm thinking right below this support level is where we could be looking to go short. And then maybe we could be going as far as 1.12 on euro dollar. But of course, we will see how this pans out. If there'll be lower highs, then we'll put our stop loss right above those lower highs. Then let's look over to dollar yen. So dollar yen, we're still short on it, but it has also been moving sideways. So like this week has literally been a sideways week. Like not much has been going on in the FX market. So next week we will still be short here, and we're still waiting for that opportunity to come all the way down here to this major support level where the intervention happened. And then pound yen. Pound yen, unfortunately, we got stopped out on that short we had. So right now, I'd actually be looking for us to make a lower low here. So this will put it as a pending order, and we might be actually be targeting this long-term trend which happened here. So we might be aiming for 212. 212 is an area we are looking to come down to. So if we do break the support level and come all the way down, then possibly that could be our shorting opportunity. Then dollar Mexican, we're still at it. We push strongly to the upside nicely, and we're still looking to go past 18 pesos for a dollar on dollar Mexican. So we're gonna put that over there. So we might actually be looking for that next week. Then CAD Swiss, we were doing very well, and we seem to be almost reaching our take profit level here. So next week we might be actually looking to reach that level. Then pound dollar, unfortunately we go stopped out on the short there, and we seem to be doing similarly what I think the dollar yen is doing as well. So pound related pairs, they seem to be moving in the exact same way to the downside slightly. So I will be looking for the market to break below this support level instead as well. And then we'll be looking to short all the way down to 31200. So this is what I'm anticipating on pound dollar. Then gold. Gold is still holding, yo. It's still holding. But we were very close to our stop loss right here. So it's still holding. So if we continue holding, then all well and good. And then we could be still aiming for 5,000 on gold. And then if not, then this previous support level may be invalidated, unfortunately. But we shall see on how that goes. Exactly. Yeah. The NAS 100, NAS 100 actually blipped to the downside here. On some brokers, it did not actually get breached. On this one, it seems like it got breached. So I think we'll take the L on this one. And nothing we can do here but looking for the next opportunity. Right now, we'll be probably looking to make a new high, but stocks have not been doing quite well. Netflix was actually down 11% today. So a lot of this downward trend pressure on stocks actually made the NAS 100 to drop as well, unfortunately. So we might actually be waiting this one out for next week and seeing what actually happens, because this has just been trickling down till it actually reached this level. So we'll still be waiting. We'll still be waiting. And then Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been moving sideways as well, surprisingly. So it has been in the same boat with most FX pairs. So let's just wait and see what next week brings. But we are still aiming for 50,000 for a Bitcoin. Then lastly, Ethereum. Ethereum unfortunately stopped us out, sadly. But let's see how next week goes. We are not gonna make any focus on this one, but we're yet to see what happens. So we're gonna wait this one out and see if maybe between the week we actually make new highs or continue lower. If we continue lower from here, then we'll be looking for shorting opportunities. But if we continue higher, then maybe this could be the bottoming area for Ethereum. And we might not actually be reaching those levels of 1,200, because actually Ethereum, if I'm not mistaken, did probably reach these levels sometime back, not too far back though. We're talking 2025. Yes, Ethereum did reach these levels in 2025, just right below here. So Ethereum reached 1,359. We're also aiming for 1,200, and it bounced all the way back up to 4,000, actually almost 5,000. So also that is possible as well. This could be the bottoming out, where support actually holds as well and then bounces back all the way up. So we could be ready for that as well. So next week, we just wait it out and see what the market actually does from there. So I thank you all for joining me this evening, afternoon, or morning, wherever you are in the part of the world. And once more, don't forget we have the promos running where you get 50% off using the promo code FIRSTOFP, and where you get 45% off using the promo code OFP45. Right. So I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I hope you also have a profitable week. Don't forget you can join me Monday to Friday for the live trading sessions. And from there, we can actually go through the market, see how I trade, see what opportunities I am seeing in the market, and you can learn from that as well. So, without further ado, happy weekend and happy trading.